Hello again, welcome back to Grace Signature. I am Grace, the chef behind this channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to bake mini donuts. Let's talk through the ingredients and get started. I have 2 cups of fresh eggs, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 250 grams of butter, 2 cups of soft raisin flour, 1/3 cup of custard sugar, and 1/4 cup of evaporated milk. So in a clean bowl, I'll add in my butter, which is 250 grams. Using my knife, I'll spread it out, or soften it a bit, and then add in my sugar, which is 1/3 cup. And mix this until it is well combined, or the sugar dissolves. Next, I'm going to add in my ground nutmeg and the vanilla extract, and it's half a teaspoon, okay, each. Mix again. All right, next I'll add in my milk, which is 1/4 cup, okay, and it's evaporated milk. Next is my egg. I'll add in one at a time, okay, so I've added the first one. I'll mix this. Then add in the next one. Right, so at this point, I'll add in my flour, but I'll do that bit by bit, okay? So that's the first cup. I've added part of that. So I'll mix this until it is well combined, and then add in the rest. So I'll finish with the first cup. I have 1 more cup of flour to add in. All right, so that's the second cup of flour. I've added part of it. Mix. Make sure it's well combined. And then add in the rest. So now I've added all the 2 cups of flour. Okay, so our batter should be ready now, and we can start baking. And for this recipe, you also need a donut maker, sorry. Okay, so we're done now. And that's my butter right there. I realized that it was too dense, so I've added in 2 more tablespoons of evaporated milk. So I'll mix, make sure it's well combined, And yeah, this is the right consistency that we are looking for. Okay, so now our butter is ready, so we can start baking. So at this point, I'll preheat my donut baker for about a minute, and then using a big spoon, I'll scoop the butter, and with the help of the small spoon, which is the teaspoon, I will then scoop part of the butter and then put it right in the middle of the mold, okay, or the molder. Right, so it has to be right in the middle. Okay, so yeah, I think that is too small, so I've added more. They can never be the same, okay? So when it's too small, you add more. When it's too big, you just scoop parts off, okay? All right, so next, and I'll keep doing that until I finish filling all the mold. All right, that's it. So now I'll cover it and leave it, okay? So now the red light is on. When it's ready, it will change into the green light, and that should takes 3 minutes. All right, so at this point our donut is ready. Using my skewer, I'll flip it over. Okay, so I'll turn it upside down. And now get it out from the maker. Okay, so you repeat the same process until you finish baking all your batter. These donuts are very good. They are very nice. They're soft and rich, and kids really love them. Kids really like them. They're very good for kids' party. I make this donuts for my daughter, but I end up eating more than her. Okay, look at that. It looks so beautiful. And this is not just beautiful, but they are very tasty, nice, and yummy. So now our mini donuts is right here. Look at that. Look at that. It looks so nice and beautiful. All right, guys, so that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe. Turn on your notification bell, meaning anytime I upload a video, it will go straight into your inbox and you will never miss an upload from me. I will see you again in my next one. Bye bye.